Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to set language in Google. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try to open the Google. Okay, so sign in to your Gmail with your username and the password. Once you have signed in to your Gmail with your username and the password, you can go to the Google account by searching Google account, and here you can click on this particular option, Google account. Okay, so once you go to the Google account, here you can click on the go to Google account on the top right hand side. So once you click on that, here you can see the on the left hand side, here you can see home, personal info, data and privacy, security and all. Okay, so click on personal info. Once you click on the personal info, just scroll down. Once you scroll down, so here you can see general preferences for the web. Okay, and here you can see the language, input tools, accessibility and all. Okay, so click on the language. So once you click on the language, here you can see the preferred language. So here I have already set it as a English. If you want to change, you can just click on this pencil icon, and here you can add any of the language, whichever the language you want to add. Okay, so this is how you can set the language in Google. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.